If you fulfill orders from a warehouse, then you deal with the world behind the buy button, and it's complicated. Acumatica solves your ERP needs. But how do you solve your warehouse management and fulfillment needs? ShipHawk has simplified this world. Many companies on Acumatica have stitched together complex ERP, WMS, and shipping systems to solve for the world behind the buy button, and struggle to make them easy to use, communicate with each other, and keep them up to date. No matter if you warehouse 1,000 or 100,000 products and ship B2C, B2B, or omnichannel via parcel or LTL, there is a solution to this challenge. From receiving to delivery, your world behind the buy button can support your workers and delight your customers. With the addition of ShipHawk, your system will easily connect your ERP, WMS, and shipping into one seamless solution. ShipHawk brings peace of mind from one partner to the world behind your buy button.